Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve that particular error I'm facing whenever I'm trying to run that particular project. So let's open in terminal here, Python space start project.py, then enter. So I'm facing that error, module not found error, no module name, Prometheus underscore client. So that will be the error. So first we have to check that Python is installed in the system or not. So for that you have to just click on the Windows key and then write edit the system environment variable. So just click on it, then click on environment variable and double click on the path. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop. So if you want to just check out, copy that location, click on OK, paste that location here, then enter. So see, 3.8 is already installed and script folder is also there. Now we have to install a particular library. That will be the command pip install Prometheus underscore client. Then enter. That will resolve the error and we have to check the particular version of that library. Pip show and just copy that library and paste here, then enter. So you can check the version as well, 0.21.1 and the library name Prometheus client. That will be the solution of that particular problem. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're searching and have project ideas for engineering students, then we'll share one PDF with you. Like in that, I have uploaded multiple projects there. We are working on multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. This is a WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. If you're in doubt, then you can contact us. So we have uploaded multiple projects there. If you click on any of the project, then it will open the YouTube video. So you can check the complete description about project, YouTube video. If you click on that particular video, it will play the video. Okay, that will be the particular output of that project. And these are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domain. If you click on data science project, then it will open the particular list. Those are data science project. If you want to download that particular list, then I will share the link in the video descriptions. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.